Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 electric bikes of 2025. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Chovery CL2 Electric Window Cleaner. The vacuum cleaner new windows cleaning robot is a convenient and efficient tool for cleaning windows and glass surfaces. Equipped with electric glass washing and vacuuming capabilities, it removes dust, dirt, and smudges effortlessly. The remote control adds ease of use, allowing users to operate it from a distance. This robot is perfect for home use, offering a hands-free solution to keep windows sparkling clean. Its design is compact and easy to maneuver, making it a must-have for busy households. Number 2. PuRuikai PRK18 Electric Window Cleaner. The PuRuikai Robot Electric Automatic Window Cleaner is a versatile cleaning device designed for convenience and efficiency. Its two-way automatic spray feature ensures streak-free windows, while the remote control allows easy operation from a distance. The robotic vacuum function handles dust and smudges with precision. Its compact design fits most window sizes, making it ideal for home or office use. While it performs well on flat surfaces, it may struggle with heavily textured glass. Overall, a reliable gadget for hassle-free cleaning. Number 3. Chovery CL1 Electric Window Cleaner. The Chovery Robot Vacuum Cleaner Window Cleaning Robot offers a convenient solution for spotless windows. With its electric glass cleaning functionality and intuitive remote control, it effortlessly navigates and cleans various surfaces. Equipped with strong suction and intelligent path planning, it ensures efficient and streak-free results. The compact design makes it ideal for hard-to-reach areas, while safety features like anti-fall sensors provide peace of mind. It's a reliable, time-saving gadget, perfect for maintaining sparkling windows with minimal effort. Number 4. PuRuikai PRK309 Electric Window Cleaner. The household window automatic water spray cleaning robot is a game-changer for effortless glass maintenance. With its automatic water spray and smart cleaning system, it ensures streak-free, spotless windows. The remote control feature adds convenience, allowing users to manage cleaning from afar. Its suction power keeps it securely attached to the glass, tackling dirt and smudges efficiently. Ideal for busy households, it saves time and effort while delivering professional results. A must-have gadget for maintaining sparkling clean windows with ease. Number 5. PuRuikai N361 Electric Window Cleaner. The ultra-thin robot window cleaner is a versatile device for keeping windows spotless with minimal effort. Its ultra-thin design allows it to clean hard-to-reach areas efficiently. Equipped with smart navigation and powerful suction, it adheres securely to glass surfaces, ensuring thorough cleaning. The included remote control makes operation convenient, while its electric motor handles dirt effectively. Perfect for home use, it offers a modern solution for maintaining clean windows effortlessly. However, it may struggle with heavily soiled or irregular surfaces. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.